Okay, guys, this time I want to talk about LinkedIn. It's a social media platform, but for business networking. You probably heard about it. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, I suggest you open it right now. If you want, you can take a look at my LinkedIn page, at MSDI LinkedIn page, and you can see the content that we upload, the way it's organized, and all that information. The importance of LinkedIn depends on the country, because in some countries LinkedIn is more popular, in others it's less popular. But still, you want to have an active LinkedIn account. It's very important for you, for your business, and to increase conversion rates. Okay, you want to be everywhere. You don't know who will look and where. Okay, they can look on Facebook, they can look on Instagram, they might look you up on WhatsApp, they might look you up on LinkedIn, on Google, whatever. You want to be everywhere. You want to be ready. So when the customer is looking for you, okay, you want to be available for them. That's the most important. As we said, it's a marathon. We want to be available on every kind of platform that we can. So the importance of LinkedIn is mainly in the business sector, okay, but there are many dentists there, sellers, dealers, sales reps, whatever. You want to keep on the industry news. You want to stay relevant. You want people to look for you, and you will be there for them. And upload content that you upload already on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram. You want to upload it also on LinkedIn. And basically, that's it. Then, on LinkedIn, what you can do is to grow your network. You can look for people in your area, dentists, surgeons, sales reps. You want to build a network around the dental industry, or more specifically, dental implant industry in your area. So if you live in Mexico, in Jalisco, for example, you want to look for people in Mexico, Jalisco in the search. Okay, you want to look for people from Mexico, Jalisco, and you want to look for people that are in the industry. There aren't many people there, right? There are not thousands of people from Jalisco that are using implants or selling implants. But you want to add everyone in that network to yours, and then grow outside. So if you live in Jalisco, you want to add people from your area and then grow to other areas. So you want to grow your network with people in the industry in your area. That's the most important for local LinkedIn sales. And then you can message them. I don't like to message people that I don't know and tell them, hey, listen, I'm selling implants. No. I'm saying, hey, I'm Nitzan from MSDI Implants, okay? I'm a founder and president of MSDI, and we sell implants. If you ever need anything, please let me know, okay? That's one way to do it. I offer them my assistance, my help. Some people will not reply. Some people will say, hey, listen, it's good that you message me because right now I'm out of implants and I'm looking for a different supplier. I don't like the current supplier. He's not trustworthy. It's too expensive. It takes too much time to receive the order, whatever. And then we can start a conversation. Some other people will say, hey, I need help finding a job. Can you help me find a job? I will use my connections to help them. I will send messages to dentists in the area that are looking for an associate, or maybe it's an assistant. I don't know. I'm trying to help as many people as possible. Okay, it sounds very waste of time, but eventually, okay, it's not only karma. Eventually, it will work out for you, because you make connections right now that will yield results sometimes in a year, 2, 5 years, 10 years. We are here for the long run, okay? We're here we are staying in this business for a long time. So that assistant that you helped, if you helped or tried to help, or that doctor, right now they are not your customers, but they will recommend you. If someone asks about you, they say, oh, amazing people, I worked with them, they try to help me. It doesn't matter. Your reputation is very important, and you need to build it around the world or around your area by doing this kind of stuff on LinkedIn, okay? Sometimes they will buy, sometimes they will not buy, sometimes they will not reply. It doesn't matter. They hear you, they hear your name. That's what most important. So in addition to everything else that you do, LinkedIn will help you stay relevant also in other platforms. Some people are working on Facebook, some people Facebook groups, whatever. Some people are on Instagram, some people are on LinkedIn. You want to be available for them on all platforms, okay? And it's not a lot of work. You invest sometimes in it in the start, and that's it. Later on, your profile is active. Once in a while, you upload content. People follow you. It's as simple as that, right? You don't need to develop the platform to a very high level, but you can check and see who is in your area that is relevant for your business, dentists, surgeons, sellers, whatever, and stay in touch with them, okay? I highly recommend on LinkedIn. You can take a look at my profile and see if you need help, let me know.